I mean, this is really like a broad question, but I'm curious, like to Amazon, what does that actually mean to be a good open source citizen? I've seen people try to take swings at defining that, and it's very hard to do. So I'm curious how you think about that at Amazon.
I think it's a work in progress for everyone, right? Because open source is so diverse and every community is different, every situation is different. So we all we can do is respect the norms of that community and that organization, and do our best to help them with whatever they need. If they need contributions, if they need money, if they need a maintainer kind of work, we try to do that. And all companies, and I've run three OSPOs, we all have to balance doing good with also making sense from an investment perspective, right?
Mhm.
I'm sure you have to say, what is the impact and how do I justify this investment? And am I doing the right level of investment in this? So we go through those questions all the time.
Yeah, I think it's what's interesting is many people don't consider how much of a vested interest large companies, whether it's Amazon or Comcast, Rebel, or other enterprises, have in the success of these open source projects because they need them to be successful. So it's not just about code contributions and donations or sponsorships. It's also about trying to make sure that they have a healthy ecosystem. And that's why in a lot of cases, you'll see, whether it's Amazon or Microsoft or Google or any of these larger corporations, they'll be at these conferences, even smaller conferences, and they'll have a presence there. And it's something that I think a lot of people take for granted, that there is a vested interest in, the success of these open source projects.
Exactly right, Matt. I mean, all of us want to see open source succeed. We want to see it being sustained because more than ever, we are dependent upon open source, and it is the foundation of a lot of our tech stacks. And we need to make sure that it is sustained and successful. The degree to which you do that varies, and it's I think an ongoing journey to articulate why you need to do that better and better inside a company and make the business case for why we need to do this.